The Black Bay Bronze is a really unusual piece. People will really hunt these down and find them. It's got a real kind of collectability feature. Today I have in front of me the Black Bay Bronze in format with the strap and with its fabric strap as well. The Bronze was released a couple of years ago in 2016 in the summer to real critical acclaim. The initial scarcity of this piece is something that's not unusual for Tudor pieces. It's certainly true of the Bronze, because when it was released, obviously it was very highly sought after. My own personal opinion, the way Tudor are moving, there may be some point in the future where these maybe won't be produced. So for me, it's a really good time to look at buying. It's a fantastic piece because it's a little bit more of an imposing character on the wrist. This whole style kind of comes from a nautical feel, and even the brass itself obviously echoes the brass used in naval instruments. The bezel is coloured aluminium on the top surface, but is actually bronze around the outside, this serrated edge. This lovely thick rustic brown leather strap is standard, but it also includes the fabric strap. Inside the case we have Tudor's manufacture movement MT5601, which is their amazing in-house movement that's been so popular over the last few years. That movement has a 70-hour power reserve, silicone balanced spring. It's got the heart that the rest of the Black Bay range has. What makes it so amazing? It's a cost-registered movement, so it works within a very tight tolerance. It's accurate, it's reliable, robust. Tudor have really nailed it with this movement. What's really lovely about these pieces in terms of owning and wearing one is that because of the nature of the material, it takes on a patina from the skin, so the oils and everything that you do to touch and wear that watch will take on the inherent character that you give it. So each piece will become a very individual, antique-y styled watch over time that just reflects your wear of it as well. The price of this watch is $2,860, which is an amazing price for a piece like this because of its uniqueness, the fantastic movement, and just the general look. It's a real kind of beater. I've seen some of our clients wearing this watch, having bought them originally back in 2016, and they've got this lovely kind of antique quality where all of that wear has kind of aged the bronze. But essentially it's an amazing watch. That movement is stunning. If you're interested in buying one of the Black Bay Bronzes, give me a shout at Tunbridge Wells or drop me an email. I'll happily talk through the Bronze and the rest of the range with you as well.